Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about trends. This is haircut trends of what is going to be popping 2025. You may have seen some of them from 2024, but they are still very, very strong. So let's get into it. So we're already a third of the way through this year, which is absolutely crazy. But if you're like me and need a little catch up on the biggest hair trends for 2025 that are blowing up on your socials, then you're in the right place. So I normally keep tabs on what could be trending throughout the year. And at the start of the year, honestly, I've been pretty spot on for what we're looking at now. Although I've definitely seen a few unexpected looks that are popping up too, which is awesome. One thing that's really big right now is all about putting a fresh spin on a classic style. So I'm seeing more people wanting to update timeless looks like a cool textured bob instead of something really super precise. And following that vibe, embracing your natural hair texture is way more popular now than trying to drastically change it with straightening treatments or even just straightening irons, for instance. And speaking of looks, I'm still obsessed with is Sabrina Carpenter's look. Those curtain bangs and those gorgeous warm hair colors are definitely sticking around. When it comes to Sabrina's effortless buttery blonde waves and Dua Lipa now's fiery copper shades, they're totally defining modern confident hair in 2024. But honestly, it's heading into this summer. It looks like both of those are still going to be huge for 2025. So there's this one little thing I've been seeing everywhere as well that just instantly makes hair, like basic hair, look so much cooler, and it's the hair flip. Seriously, if you want to try out one of the biggest hair trends for 2025 without doing anything major, like a whole new cut color, for instance, you don't even need to go to the salon for this. You just need to grab your round brush, flip those ends up. It is that simple. Another vibe that I'm totally noticing everywhere is this super carefree, free-spirited energy taking over fashion and beauty. It's like Sienna Miller's early 2000s boho looks. They're making a comeback on TikTok. Zoe Kravitz's boho braids are still all over Pinterest. Even 70s rock icon Stevie Nicks, with her whole hippie look, it's getting a ton of new fans. It's definitely giving that cool bohemian feel. Just think shag, wolf cuts, butterfly haircuts. That's what we want. And if you want a little something extra to your look, you've got to check out the cool go accessory trend. So this trend is going to be even bigger as we get into spring, summer. They're perfect for pulling your hair back with, adding just a little bit more flair. Thinking scrunchies, barrettes, and those cute claw clips in all sorts of fun colors, patterns, and shapes. Seriously, the right hair accessory can take a simple bun, ponytail, or half up style to the next level with hardly any effort. It is a total win-win. This probably isn't a shocker, but fringes are still a major thing for 2025. Whether it's those curtain bangs, that chic French girl Birkin fringe, or even the mouse cut. People like Taylor Swift and Dakota Johnson, they're rocking it. Fringes are definitely still having a moment right now. And another style I've been seeing more and more of is the boyish crop. These short cuts really took off last year, and they're definitely gaining even more fans this year. It's a bit of a bold and out there look, but honestly, I think if you can make an outfit look like a million times cooler. Okay, I can't do a trend roundup without talking about a bob, and it's been a go-to for the past few years for a reason. I just teased it then. It is just a classic, but it's always effortlessly cool. This year, I'm seeing a lot of those really blunt kind of boyish bobs. It's like a 90s feel. So that blunt bob, especially those hitting right now at the jawline or chin, are absolutely huge. They look so sleek and actually really quite versatile. Whether you wear it with a centre part, tucked behind your ear for a polished look, flip those ends out for something a bit more fun, or just let your natural texture do its own thing, because that is an easy vibe. Plus, depending on your hair, they're supposed to be pretty easy to style. One length bobs hold their shape really well. So if your haircut basically does most of the work for you, I absolutely love that. That's the biggest trends for 2025 so far. I hope the reference pictures in this video have helped you. Screenshot them, take them to your hairdresser, and let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be choosing any of them to go forward with, or if you're rocking it right now. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.